Welcome to the Stocks to Trade Pro Daily Recap. A little bit quieter day today coming out of the holiday, but have a very interesting setup from this morning that could play out pretty well into the afternoon. So as I mentioned, this is kind of one of those weirder weeks where we had the 4th of July fell midweek. So we had the early close Tuesday, then the market was closed entirely Wednesday, and then you come back Thursday, Friday, and it's a little bit quieter out there. I think a lot of traders are taking advantage of this to take a long weekend, et cetera, et cetera. So we've seen a few, a little bit of a quiet down in the markets. Now, good thing is we're coming into earnings season, more kind of the week after next, but we're getting there. Action should really light up. Great jobs report this morning. Market's ripping, breaking out of a range. It's been stuck in for a while. Main thing we are watching is BBOX, black box. Kind of some weird stuff, but we'll trade anything in momentum low price stocks. They issued a warning about potential bankruptcy the other day. Then this morning they slip out a press release that they landed a huge contract, or potentially huge contract, with a large social media providers. Now, a couple things here we look for in Stocks to Trade Pro. We've got news, we've got a pretty low float stock, and we've got that big gainer early. Now, typically what we try and avoid is trading these early. We like to let them set up for later in the day. So you've got that chart pattern we look for every day playing out right now. Big gain, consolidation around VWAP. You can see that right here. And then that perk to the high of the day, ideally midday, late day. Now, it's noon. Normally in STT Pro, we talk about kind of waiting to a little later in the day. But I think considering the low volume day, again, like I said, there's a lot of traders gone today. I know a lot of them are going to probably bail into Friday afternoon. That's just kind of the way, especially in the summer, that's what happens. But there's a solid setup here. News, relatively low float, holding VWAP, pushing the high of the day. You look to buy that high of the day, you risk VWAP. In that scenario, in that potential trade, you're risking 15, 20 cents a share to potentially make, 3 times that. If this stock really gets going, breaks that 2 level, we could see new high days. So again, if you want to recognize these patterns, you want to break this stuff down, click the link below, check out Stocks to Trade Pro, twice daily webinars, strategy session every week where we get into the nitty gritty of trading, the psychology, etc. So that's 11, sometimes 12 webinars a week, all live and interactive. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you next time.